Hello all, welcome to our channel. Who are watching first time videos, please watch carefully my complete video and understanding each and every concept. So, how we can making for Instagram Reels and Facebook Reels and YouTube Shorts? How we can making for existing videos? So, I'm selecting for C laptop world. You can making for so many reels and upload the in your particular platform. First of all, any reel uploading on your particular purpose, you can use option name is Canva. My question is called how we can making for Instagram Reel, Facebook Reel, YouTube Shorts by using existing video. The particular size will be 1080 by 1920 pixel. Any reel will be making purpose compulsory. You can select it will be the video length will be less than 50 seconds. You can selecting for less than 50 seconds. Select by the and particular option and click for upload here. What are the your logo you mentioned? Every logo but add on your particular image is compulsory important, and you can lot of designs are here. You can select by lot of designs will be here, which design you will be comfortable, and everything will be use this particular version. So that will be in this. So I'm selecting will be here. I'm selecting this theme. Click for upload. Select by the video. Which video you will be selected will be here. Right click, replace the background. So here will be there. So what are the laptop you have? Laptop set. So you can replace. So you can using this. Add your logo and everything. So most of the things people connecting purpose we can using will be here is the option. So anyone looking for second-hand laptops with the best price, you can contact me will be Sri Laptop World. So here is that. Add here. We can call student special offer. So I'm giving this option will be here. Which laptop you will be explain everything based on the checking laptop everything will be here. Every laptop you can explain everything. Check it out first of all. Which laptop you will be working on this. So that will be used on here. Just so after this, click here and so every overall we can check. This will be not more than 51 seconds. So less than 51 seconds we can utilize and click for is download a particular image or video. So what are the image you will be design, what are the video download, everything will be important option will be called proper navigation. You can use the will be here. And one more important is called when add this will be here. Anything you can require animation and text will be animation required. First of all, directly we can add your text will be. Click this feature and click for download this feature also. N number of animations are there. Everything we can make it our reel with existing recording will be here. Live recording, you can select it and make it on here, and your create your Facebook reel, Instagram reel, and YouTube shorts also. This feature you can utilize each and every web pages and update on your particular future. And uploading time, what is the parameter we can follow will be Instagram reel. The size will be 1080 by 1920 pixel. If any particular size is a required question, anything, you can ask me to my channel. I definitely will be supportive. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel, and ask any kind of questions you will be missing on your particular channel. Please recommend me. I definitely will be supportive. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.